Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all good. Today I am discussing the living world, class 11, chapter 1, NCERT Questions and Answers, part 1. In this video I am discussing multiple choice questions, which is really very helpful for your NEET AIMS examination. Welcome back once again in your biology class. Myself Nowsin and you are watching Educational Support. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you have turned on notifications on your phone so that whenever I release a video, you will see it on your home page. So my dear students, are you ready for your Menti questions? So let's get started. So the first question is, as we go from species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characteristics and the options are will decrease, will increase, remain same, and the last one is may increase or decrease. So the correct answer is will decrease. Because lower the taxa, more are the characteristics that the members within the taxon share. So, lowest taxons share the maximum number of morphological similarities, while its similarities decreases as we move towards the higher hierarchy, that is class, kingdom, etc. So, thus, the rest of the options are incorrect. Next question is, which of the following suffixes used from units of classification in plants indicates a taxonomic category of family? And the options are Aelis, Oni, Ashi, and A. So the correct answer is AC. Because the name of a family or taxon in plants always end with suffix AC. For example, Solanaceae, Canaceae, and Poaceae. Aelis suffix is used for taxon order while AE suffix is used for taxon class, and Oni suffix are not used at all in any of the taxons. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is, the term systematics refers to, and the options are identification, study of organ systems of plants and animals, identification and preservation of plants and animals, diversity of kinds of organisms and their relationship, study of habitats of organisms and their classification. So the correct answer is diversity of kinds of organisms and their relationship. Because the word systematics, is derived from Latin word systema, which means what? Yes, it is systematic arrangement of organisms. Carolus Linnaeus was used Systema Naturae as a title of his publication. So it deals with the diversity of organisms and their relationship at every level of classification. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is, genus represents, and the options are an individual plant or animal, a collection of plants or animals, a group of closely related species of plants or animals, and the last one is none of this. None of this. So the correct answer is a group of closely related species of plants or animals. Because genus comprises a group of closely related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. The other options don't define genus. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is, The taxonomic unit phylum in the classification of animals is equivalent to which hierarchical label in classification of plants, and the options are class, order, division, and the last one is family. So the correct answer is division. Because division, you know very well, it includes classes with a few similar characters of group of organisms. It is equivalent to phylum in case of animals. So the correct answer is option C, division. Next question is, botanical gardens and zoological parks have, and the options are collection of endemic living species only, collection of exotic living species only, collection of endemic and exotic living species, and the last one is collection of only local plants and animals. So the correct answer is option C, collection of endemic and exotic living species. Because botanical gardens and zoological parks are used to restore depleted population, reintroduce species that is wild, and restore degraded habitats of both exotic and endemic living species. Rest of the options are incorrect. Next question is, taxonomic key is one of the taxonomic tools in the identification and classification of plants and animals, and it is used in the preparation of, and the options are monographs, flora, both A and B, and option D is none of this. So the correct answer is both A and B. Because taxonomic key are tools that help in identification of organism, which is really based on the characters, which includes both monograph and flora. Next question is, all living organisms are linked to one another because, and the options are, they have common genetic material of the same type, they share common genetic material but to varying degrees. Option C is all have common cellular organization, and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is option B. They share common genetic material but to varying degrees. Because you know very well that all living organisms share common genetic material, that is DNA, but with variations. For example, bacteria have single-stranded circular DNA, while in highly evolved eukaryotic cells of plants and animals, DNA is a long double helix strand. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following is a defining characteristics of living organisms? And the options are growth, ability to make sound, reproduction, and the last one is response to external stimuli. So the correct answer is response to external stimuli. Because response to external stimuli or to the environment in which an organism lives is the most important characteristics of any living organisms, besides growth and reproduction. So growth and ability to make sound are some properties that can also be observed in non-living things. While virus, which is not included under living organisms, also show growth and reproduction. So hence, these options are not true. Next question is, match the following and choose the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. Family Tuberosam, Kingdom Polymones, Order Solanum, Species Plantae, Genus Solanaceae. And the options are, so the correct answer is option B. The all options show the classification of the plant potato Solanium tuberosa. The correct options matching with the column represent the taxonomic classification of plant potato are family Solanaceae, kingdom Plantae, order Polymunials, Genus Solanum, and species Tuberosum. So the correct answer is option B. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on the notification, because it's very important for you, because every single time when I release a video, there's a chance that you will see it on your homepage. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.